Ever pondered how smart a dinosaur could be? Could they solve problems or remember routes like some of our modern-day birds and reptiles? Well, let's dive into the fascinating world of dino intelligence, starting with the size of their brains. Just like in humans, the size of a dinosaur's brain can give us some clues about its cognitive abilities. You see, scientists use a measure called the encephalization quotient, or EQ for short, to estimate the intelligence of extinct creatures. The EQ is a comparison of an animal's brain size to the expected brain size for an animal of the same body size. By examining fossilized skulls, researchers can estimate the EQ and thus the potential intelligence of a dinosaur. But remember, a larger brain size doesn't always mean higher intelligence. There are many factors at play, including the structure and function of different brain regions. So if we go by brain size alone, which dinosaur do you think would come out on top? If we pit the infamous T-Rex against the lesser-known Troodon solely based on brain size, who do you think would win? Here, we're delving into the concept of encephalization quotient, or EQ, a measure of brain size relative to body size. You might be surprised to learn that the smaller, lesser-known Troodon trumps the mighty T-Rex in this arena. Despite its diminutive stature, the Troodon boasted a larger brain relative to its body size, suggesting it was potentially more intelligent than its larger counterpart. Now let's delve a bit deeper. What does a larger EQ mean in terms of capabilities? Well, it's believed that Troodon could have had some impressive problem-solving abilities. You see, a larger brain often equates to a higher capacity for learning and adapting, crucial skills in the ever-changing world of the Cretaceous period. But the Troodon's potential smarts don't stop there. This little dino had forward-facing eyes, much like modern birds of prey. This suggests a keen sense of sight, aiding in hunting and possibly even navigation. So, in a showdown of the brains, it seems the tiny Troodon might have outsmarted the mighty T-Rex. But let's not forget, intelligence isn't just about problem-solving and hunting prowess. So, it appears the tiny Troodon could outsmart the mighty T-Rex. But intelligence isn't just about solving problems and hunting, is it? Now, what if we told you that some dinosaurs might have been social creatures, much like wolves or elephants today? That's right. It's not all about size and strength when it comes to dinosaur intelligence. Social behavior is another key indicator, and there's plenty of evidence to suggest that many dinosaurs were quite the social butterflies. Take the velociraptor, for instance. These cunning creatures are believed to have lived and hunted in packs, a behavior that requires coordination, cooperation, and communication. Their group hunting strategies likely involved outsmarting their prey, which suggests a level of social intelligence that goes beyond mere instinct. Then there's the Triceratops, a dinosaur known for its iconic three-horned skull. Paleontologists believe that these dinosaurs lived in herds, much like modern-day buffalo. Living in a group has its advantages. There's safety in numbers after all, but it also requires a certain level of social intelligence, including recognizing and remembering other individuals, understanding group dynamics, and coordinating actions with others. Even the way dinosaurs raised their young can tell us something about their social behavior. Many dinosaur species, such as the Maiasaura, are known to have built nests and cared for their young, behaviors that suggest a level of parental care and social structure not typically associated with reptiles. So, whether they were lone hunters or social butterflies, dinosaurs exhibited a range of intellectual abilities, making them even more fascinating than we already thought.